Hello everybody, welcome to Phonics with me, Mrs. Sharp. Today we are going to be doing the ear trigraph. If you're following the videos in order, on Monday we did the ow as in cow. On Tuesday we did I as in coin, and today it is the ear as in beard. So flip round. All week we are doing I Spy warm-ups. So if you want to join in, you can do this where you're just chatting to your children. You could do some counting, you could spell some of the words, you could get the children to put the words into sentences. So if you want to take part in that, press pause now. Okay, we'll flick past these. Right, let's warm up and sing the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Oh, I'm out of breath. We've got 4 floors in our house and I just ran from top to bottom to get something. I do apologise. Right, okay. Let's see if you can say the letter names. So if I pointed to this one, we say A. See if you can say it before I do. O. H. J. R, Q, E, U. Well done. Okay, let's say the sounds together. T, t, p, p, a, I, s, s, e, m, g, g, k, k, d, d, o, k, k, l, o, k, k, f, r, l, B, J, V, Z, W, X, Y, Z. Wow, well done everybody. Okay, we're moving on to our digraphs and trigraphs. Ch, as in chicken. As in ring. Qu, as in queen. Th and th, as in thumb. I, as in night. Sh, as in shoe. A, as in rain. E, as in leak. O, as in goat. As in book. I wonder what Rufus is barking at. Oo, as in moon. Or, as in fork. R, as in card. As in burger. I, as in coin. Ow, as in cow. Ear, as in beard. As in rubber. Air, as in chair. Your or your as in pure. Okay, well done everybody. We're getting so good at our sounds. Right, it's time for tricky words. You need to learn these words off by heart. They will help you become a really, really fluent reader. So you can point to the words and let children read them. You can get them to write them down. Any that they don't know, write them down and keep a note and just help them to practice. So press pause now. Okay, moving on to phase 3. Just the same as the last slide. Point to them and get your children to read them. Press pause now. And phase 4. If you want to work on these ones, press pause now. Fabulous. So on Monday we did ow as in cow, down, town, towel, powder. We spelt the word and we read a sentence. On Tuesday we did oi as in coin. Here it is. Boil, soil, poison and tin foil. You wrote the words and you wrote a sentence. I love a bit of animation. Okay, today we are going on to the ear trigraph. Here it is. E, A, R together make one sound, and because there's 3 letters, it's called a trigraph. So the 3 letters make one sound, ear. Okay, we're going to read the words. So I want you to spot the trigraph in the word. See if you can read it before I do. Again. Ear. Fear. Oh, I was a bit scared then. I had a bit of fear inside me. Okay, let's do this one. Can you spot the trigraph? Oh, I can. It's here. Are we ready to read it? Again. Ears. Gears. The gears turn. Okay, can you spot the digraph in that word? The trigraph, sorry, in that word. Yep, here it is. Again. Beard. Beard. Fantastic. Okay, last one. Can you spot the trigraph? Well done. It's here. See if you can read it. Again. Ear. Spear. Fantastic. Okay, can you spell the ear words? Can you remember what they looked like? So we have fear, gear, beard and spear. I can throw a spear. It's like a sharp stick. So if you want to extend the writing, the children can write a sentence with each of those words, fear, gear, beard and spear, and they can extend the sentences as much as you are happy with to challenge them. So the words again, fear, gear, beard, spear. Press pause now. Okay, can you read the question? So first of all, let's look at the tricky words. We've got a few in here. Got a tricky word here. Got one here and one here. So I've got 3 tricky words. The other words, the children can work them out. So if you want to do that now, press pause. Right, let's do it together. We've got, oh, I'm so sorry. This is a tricky word too. How did I forget? I like to say it like this. What? So we've got what, Did. What did he do to his beard? Beard. Again. What did he do to his beard? Let's reveal the picture. Whoa! He brightened up our day. What did he do to his beard? I do apologise, that is a phase 4 tricky word there. Fantastic, everybody. So if you want to head on over to YouTube and watch Geraldine the Giraffe, just type in Geraldine the Giraffe ear and it should come up. The teacher that does that is called Mr. Thorne. So if you typed in Mr. Thorne does phonics, all the videos will come up. Right? Okay. We know it's not the end of a phonics session until I make you laugh. I wasn't happy with yesterday's joke. Let's see if today's is any better. Do you want to hear a joke about a pizza? Oh, never mind. It's too cheesy. Ah! Do you get it? The joke's too cheesy and there's cheese on pizzas. I quite like that one. Oh, thanks for laughing. Yep, just heard you laugh. Thank you for that one. Right, have a great day, everybody. See you again tomorrow. Bye.